When you forget the password of your tablet and repeatedly enter the wrong password, causing your tablet to be locked. You definitely want to reset your tablet, but you don't know how to start. If you encounter the same problem, just keep watching. Resetting your tablet means you will lose all data on your tablet. After unlocking, you can develop a habit of regularly backing up your data, like using 𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁 to prevent data loss again. First, turn off your tablet by holding the power button and selecting Power Off. After it shuts down, press both the volume up button and the power button together until the Samsung logo appears, then let go. Next, use the volume buttons to scroll to Wipe Data/Factory Reset and press the power button to confirm. Wait for the reset to finish, then choose Reboot System Now with the volume buttons and press the power button one last time. Your tablet will restart automatically. However, if your tablet has been logged into a Google account before, you will encounter the Google account verification interface after the resetting. It doesn't matter, you can use our next method to unlock your tablet without the password of your Google account. Step 1. Free download 𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁 and launch 𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁 on your computer and select FRP bypass mode. Step 2. Connect your tablet to the computer and press the Start button. Step 3. Choose your tablet's brand. Then, the configuration file will be prepared for your tablet. Later, tap on Start to bypass to continue. Step 4. Select your tablet's Android system version. Here we choose the tablet series. Then, hit the Next button. Step 5. Set up your tablet according to the on-screen instructions. After completing the steps above, the device will be restarted and the FRP lock is also removed successfully. 𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁 is a powerful Android tool that specializes in bypassing FRP locks, like removing Google account verification after a Samsung reset and much more. It has the highest success rate for unlocking, plus features like unlocking screen passwords, fixing system errors, recovering lost data, and cleaning up your device, etc. It works with all Android phones and tablets, include Samsung, Xiaomi, Sony, Redmi, Poco, etc. It also supports all models above Android 6. Best of all, the entire process takes under 5 minutes, making it the ultimate fix-it tool for your phone. Finally, all the screen recordings in this video are recorded by 𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁. You can free download it by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time.